Hello everyone, and welcome back to Zeus Tech. Hey guys, so today in this video, we're going to be talking about how to import functions and classes between two files in Pycharm. So, I shouldn't have said classes. Today, we're only doing functions, and because if you know how to do functions, you know how to do classes. They're the same exact thing. So, let's begin. Now, let's just do something and create a function real quick. So let's create def add ab, and then we can do print a plus b, and you see here a simple function. And like if you've done Python before and you've done functions, you probably have made a function similar to this for testing and all. So now that we've got this function, let's quickly go here. We want to import this function to this file. That's the goal. So a way we can do this is by typing down import. Import, this is our best friend. This is how we're going to import everything, how we're going to import functions and files, like everything. Use import. So what we can do here is we're going to import we're going to import first. I got confused for a second. So what first is it's this file. So first is the file, and we're importing the entire file. We're importing it like this because then what we can do is first dot add. We can do 12 and 10. If you run this, you see it works, 22. So this is one way we can import. And it's really useful because now we don't have to do anything in this program. Because imagine the function being gigantic. You wouldn't want to write everything inside the same program. If you do write everything in the same program, it's not the proper way. You don't, like when you write Python and stuff, don't go for big files of code. If you can split it up into multiple files and just import them, that's better to do. So now, you see here, we are imported first, and we've used the function. So this is one way. But say that the file name is gigantic, like it isn't in this example, but say that it is. Then we can do something and rename it. So we do here, import first as, and for example, f. And if we delete everything except for f, you can see here, f.add. If you run it, same result. So this is another way we can run the program while importing. Now I'm just gonna comment this and I'm gonna remove this. But say that there's many different functions inside of this class, and we don't want to get all of them. Then what we can do is that we can do this. From first import add. What this is that we're doing from first this file import add this function. So by doing that, we get to write down add like this, and it works. That's really useful. As in, if we do it like this, we don't have to put like any things before it, no dots, just import it. So we can also rename this. We can do as a, and then we can just remove this. It works. But that wouldn't be the best thing, because like maybe if your function's really long, then maybe. But most of the times you wouldn't want to do that. But say that we have multiple functions here. Like let me just copy and paste this, and we can put minus a minus b. Say that we have multiple different functions and we want to import all of them. Then what we can do, well, there's two things we can do. One, we can do add and then comma and then minus. That works. Or another way we can do it is by taking these back and putting a star. What this will do is that it'll make it so that it imports everything. Now, as you see here, we have put a star. So if we put minus 10 5, it'll work. So this is how we can import many different things. So if you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing. I'm Zeus Tech, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!